Not sure if your online store is meeting PCI compliance? One misstep can leave your business and customers vulnerable, and it could even put your merchant account at risk. Here's a simple way to map out your PCI compliance manually. Open Google Sheets and create a checklist of all required items, from encryption and secure storage to access control and logging. It gives you a clear view of what's done and what is pending. But checking boxes alone won't keep your store fully compliant. That's where EasyPay Direct comes in. They handle the heavy lifting for PCI compliance, so your transactions are secure and you can focus on running your store. Plus, their FAQ on how e-commerce credit card processing works walks you through the steps behind each transaction, so you can see how payments are processed safely from start to finish. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description. Check out how their compliance tools and secure processing keep your store protected. Don't leave compliance to chance. With EasyPay Direct, you get peace of mind, secure payments, and reliable merchant account support. Click the link in the description to get started today.